What's up, you guys? Out here in the shop again today, working on the old pile of blue car. We're going to do some kind of quality of life things before next summer and racing season. Let's take a look. Whose wrench is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot. So one of the things I need to do on this blue turd, shim the starter. Because I'm an idiot and didn't do that last summer. So we're going to do the right thing and fix it correctly. Under collector bolt rattling around. Here we are, another dead battery. It actually died at the track here this last summer. So that's really annoying, and I really don't want to spend another almost $300 on one of these damn things. So I'm just going to get a regular cheapo one. Kind of junk. Alright guys, well that's a couple things that we got updated on the old race car here, so we're not embarrassing ourselves at the track again. That That real noisy starter was very frustrating in the staging lanes, especially when you're trying to keep temp out of the engine. Shut it off, and you try and crank it back up, and it goes, that's not fun. And you look like a fool, so that won't be happening next year. Also got the header collectors tightened up, so won't have that little rattle at idle. Not that you could really hear it over the car. I could. I don't know if anyone else could. I'm sure other people could, but those are not the only updates, fixes, or upgrades that are happening to the old race car here. We got some QA1 coilovers that we're going to stuff in this thing. It currently has some, but they're for a G-body, and they are not adjustable at all. Only for ride height, and they're kind of maxed out, because B-bodies are a little bit heavier up front than a G-body. So we got the correct coilover shocks, and they're single adjustable, so I'm excited to get those bad boys in. And we're also going to be removing the rear fuel tank and putting in a 5-gallon fuel cell to save on some weight. This thing went on a pretty serious diet last summer, so we shed like 300 pounds out of the darn thing. So let's see if we can shed a little bit more weight out of it. We've also got a more aggressive rear gear. We're going to go from a 342 to a 411. So this car used to have 410s with the 7.5-inch rear end, but at some point I got stupid and decided that, maybe it'd just be a fun kind of street bomber with a smaller engine and less gear. And that was dumb. So we're gonna go back to fun stuff, and we're gonna see if we can go a little bit faster yet and get a little bit better at 60 foot out of this thing. So that should be a lot of fun. So go ahead and stay tuned. Be on the lookout for those vids. Hopefully we'll get those in the next couple months here. Being busy with work doesn't necessarily help, but we'll get it done before next summer. That's for damn sure. If you guys like what you're seeing here, why don't you stick around? Watch a couple more videos. If you got one of these old B-bodies or G-body or really anything old and domestic that's fun, why don't you comment it down there and let me know what you got.